Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the topic of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we will explore the history of ChatGPT and its features. ChatGPT is the fourth version of the language model developed by OpenAI. The first version of ChatGPT, known as GPT-1, was released in 2018. GPT-1 had 117 million parameters and was trained on a large dataset of text from the internet. In natural language processing, parameters typically refers to the number of learnable variables in a model. The more parameters a model has, the more complex it can be and the more information it can potentially process. GPT-1, or the first generation of the generative pre-trained transformer, is a language model developed by OpenAI that was released in 2018. It was trained on a large corpus of text data, such as books and web pages, using unsupervised learning techniques to understand the patterns and relationships between words and sentences. Here are some examples of how GPT-1 has been used. Text generation. GPT-1 is capable of generating coherent and grammatically correct text on a wide range of topics. For example, given a prompt like, "The weather today is," GPT-1 can generate a sentence like, "The weather today is sunny and warm, with a slight breeze blowing through the trees." GPT-1 can be used to translate text from one language to another. For example, given a sentence in French like, "Je suis heureux de vous rencontrer," GPT-1 can translate it to English as, "I am happy to meet you." GPT-1 can answer questions based on a given context. For example, given a passage about the life of Isaac Newton, GPT-1 can answer questions like, "What was Newton's contribution to mathematics?" With the answer, Newton is known for his development of calculus and the laws of motion. GPT-1 can analyze the sentiment of a given text, identifying whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. For example, given a review of a product, GPT-1 can determine whether it is positive or negative based on the language used. GPT-1 can be used as a language model to predict the probability of a given sentence or sequence of words. This can be used in applications such as speech recognition and text-to-speech. Overall, GPT-1 is a powerful language model that can generate text, translate languages, answer questions, analyze sentiment, and model language. While it has been surpassed by later generations of the GPT series, it was still a significant breakthrough in natural language processing and machine learning. GPT-2 was released in 2019 and had 1.5 billion parameters. It was designed to be more efficient in processing natural language and had the ability to generate realistic text that could fool humans. GPT-2 is an advanced version of GPT-1 and is a language model developed by OpenAI. GPT-2 is trained on a massive amount of text data and is capable of generating human-like text that is coherent and semantically meaningful. Here are some examples of GPT-2 in action. Given a partial sentence, GPT-2 can generate the most probable next word to complete the sentence. For example, if given the prompt, "The cat sat on the," GPT-2 might generate "windowsill." GPT-2 can be used for machine translation tasks, where it can translate text from one language to another. For example, it can translate English text into French or German. GPT-2 can be used to summarize long articles or documents into a shorter form. For example, it can summarize news articles or research papers. GPT-2 can generate coherent and meaningful text on a wide range of topics. For example, it can generate news articles, product descriptions, or even short stories. One of the notable features of GPT-2 is its ability to generate high-quality text that is difficult to distinguish from human-written text. However, it has also been criticized for its potential to generate fake news or biased content, which has led to restrictions on the release of its full model by OpenAI. In 2020, OpenAI released GPT-3, which had 175 billion parameters and was considered to be the most powerful language model ever created at that time. GPT-3, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is the most advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It was released in 2020 and has significantly improved upon its predecessors, GPT-1 and GPT-2. GPT-3 has 175 billion parameters, making it the largest language model to date. GPT-3 has various applications, including language translation, content creation, chatbots, and more. Some examples of its use include: GPT-3 has the ability to translate text from one language to another with high accuracy. For example, it can translate English text into French or Spanish. GPT-3 can create high-quality content, including articles, essays, and even entire websites. It can generate unique content based on a given topic or prompt. GPT-3 can be used to create chatbots that can converse with humans in a natural and engaging way. It can understand and respond to complex questions and even generate its own responses. GPT-3 can be used to create virtual assistants that can perform various tasks, such as scheduling appointments, making phone calls, and sending emails. GPT-3 can generate poetry, short stories, and even entire novels based on a given prompt or theme. GPT-3 can be used to create personalized recommendations for products, services, and content based on a user's interests and behavior. Overall, GPT-3 has shown great potential in various applications, and it is expected to continue to improve as more data is fed into the model. Finally, in 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT, which is the most advanced and capable language model yet. ChatGPT is a neural network-based language model that uses deep learning algorithms to process natural language. It works by analyzing patterns in language data and using those patterns to generate text that is similar to what a human might write or say. The model is trained on a large dataset of text that includes everything from books and articles to social media posts and email conversations. Once trained, ChatGPT can generate text on a wide range of topics, including news articles, poetry, and even chat messages. ChatGPT has several features that make it unique and powerful. One of the most notable features is its ability to understand the context of a conversation and generate responses that are relevant to that context. This means that ChatGPT can have more natural and engaging conversations with users. Another feature is its ability to generate multiple responses to a single input, allowing users to choose the response that best fits their needs. ChatGPT can also be fine-tuned to generate text that is specific to a particular domain or topic, such as medicine or finance. Let's take a look at some examples of ChatGPT in action. Say, you ask ChatGPT, what is the capital of France? ChatGPT would be able to recognize the context of the question and generate a response like, the capital of France is Paris. Similarly, if you were to ask ChatGPT, what are some good places to eat in New York City? It could generate a list of restaurants based on its understanding of the context and your preferences. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an advanced language model that uses deep learning algorithms to generate text that is similar to human language. With its ability to understand context and generate multiple responses, ChatGPT is becoming an increasingly important tool in many industries, from marketing to customer service. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI for natural language processing tasks such as question answering and text generation. As an AI language model, it is not possible to use ChatGPT directly for earning sources. However, you can use its capabilities to create content, such as blog posts or social media updates, that can be monetized through advertising or affiliate marketing. Here are some ways you could potentially use ChatGPT to create content for monetization. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for blog posts on popular topics related to your niche. Once you have a list of ideas, you can write the blog posts yourself or outsource the writing to a freelancer. Use ChatGPT to generate text snippets or even complete social media posts that you can share on your accounts. You can include links to your website or other affiliate links in your posts. If you have an e-commerce store, you can use ChatGPT to generate descriptions for your products. This can save you time and help you create unique and engaging descriptions that stand out from your competitors. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for email marketing campaigns and even create the content for the emails. This can help you save time and create more engaging and effective emails that drive conversions. Overall, while ChatGPT is not a direct earning source, it can help you create content more efficiently and effectively, which can lead to monetization opportunities. On this channel, we will show you real ways of making money online and earn an online income. Click subscribe to never miss the working and latest make money online videos. Thanks for watching.